Bonjour! Bonjour!
No.
Time for bladder check. Check.
So it's a show?
It's a lifestyle.
It's a religion.
My emotions! My emotions!
I'm still French.
Ouais, c'est pas faux.
I'm a woman, Mary. I can be as contrary as I choose.
Non, moi je crois qu'il faut que vous arrêtiez d'essayer de dire des trucs.
Petit chou. I don't know how and when they can make me cry during that final episode, because now I just have Gi-Hun that I'm worried about because they already killed Sang-byuk during the last episode, and I was sure that no one was gonna die during the last episode, so they surprised me. I didn't have a tissue. Right there I have one, but I can't see when I'm gonna use it, for what reason. Did I tell you I'm Laura. I'm gonna watch Squid Game season 1, episode 9. The last one of this season 1, or of this show. I don't know if we're gonna have a season 2 or not, because I'm not making any research on the show to avoid spoilers, so I really don't know. For me, I think that we're gonna have a season 2 because they killed Jun-ho just right there during the last episode, so I mean, we have to destroy all of that, and maybe it can happen, during the future seasons from the inside, with the winner of this season 1 who can destroy it from the inside, something like that. Or maybe also with Juno's brother who can out, because we saw that killing his brother really disturbed him. I don't know. Final episode of this season 1, and I'm excited about it, but I'm also really worried about it, which is weird again, because I'm just worried really for Gi-Hun, because I think that this episode is gonna be about the last game, for sure. My theory for it, they're gonna have to kill each other directly, without any game, without anything. Again, it could be the continuity of all of these games, the evolution of it. First game, guns into the walls. Second game, killed by masked guys. Third game, killing each other through a game as a team. Fourth game, killing each other through a game as individuals. Fifth game, killing each other because of the game and also as individuals. It was like that. So for me, final game, it has to be them killing each other without any game being involved. And Sang-woo, he didn't need this game, to do that, because he already did it, killing Sang-byuk. Okay, the girl was hurt. Okay, she was maybe not gonna survive to these injuries and all, but she deserved to play to the last game. And the fact that you killed her like that, it was cold blood, he killed her. For me, he's totally embracing the idea behind all of these games, of all of that. He's the perfect winner, in a way, to these games, because during all of these games, he totally embraced the idea behind these games. You are ready to do everything, anything, to win the big prize. But of course, I want Gi-Hun to win, because he's sweet, nice, he has a good heart, and because I don't want Sang-woo to win, and also because he has to keep his promise to do that to Sang-byuk brother. I'm not gonna talk about it again. I can cry just talking about it, so no. But of course I want him to win. So we're gonna have that for the candidates. Maybe we're gonna have a little of what is gonna happen after that for the candidates, like maybe he's gonna meet the VIPs, and maybe you're gonna explain to him that he's gonna have to come back for the next games because they're gonna blackmail you with the fact that they filmed you killing someone. I really think that it's like that, all of the masked guys, they are former winners now, we are sure of it, and they are forced to come back because they are blackmailing them. I really think so. Maybe yes, something for the after the games, what is happening, like how can you come back to real life just like that after all of what you did, of what you lived. And I want to see him taking care of Sang-byuk. Okay, that, and we have to have the big reveal about the host, you know, the creator of all of that, it's Grandpa. Like, I'm suspecting him since episode 1, and during the 2 last episodes, it's almost like I had the confirmation of it. It's him, for sure. I thought that Black Mask Guy, the frontman, was his son or a former winner who totally embraced his ideas. It was a former winner. It was Jun's brother. Jun's brother killed his brother, you know, killed him. That was awful, because really during the moment that it happened, I was thinking what Juno is thinking right now. Like, he had just the reveal that his brother is doing all of that, is that awful person behind the games, is organizing the games, and his brother is killing him. Like, he did all of that for his brother. He did all of that investigation and all for his brother, because he loves his brother, because he wanted to help his brother, to protect him. So to die having that reveal about his brother and being killed by his brother, can you imagine how he was? That sound killed me during that moment. And Juno's brother, how he reacted, like he was disturbed by it, it's making me think that maybe it can help. During this episode, I don't think so, but maybe during the next season, we'll see. And also, I think that we're gonna have something about that theory that I have about all of them being connected. So now that we only have Gi-Hun and Sang-woo, I think that we're gonna have the reveal about Sang-woo. How did he lose all of this money, all of this futures thing? My theory is the fact that he put a bet on futures of people, like maybe, you know, the money which was lost, Sang-byuk money which was lost, you know, when she wanted to help her mother to cross the border. I think that maybe there is something right there which could be interesting for the show, the subjects that they are exploring. They are criticizing a lot our society with people doing everything for money and all, but they are talking also a lot about, you know, Korean culture and North and South Korea and stuff about it. Like, it's making me think that they can talk about it also. And Gi-Hun, I think that one reveal that we can have about him, it's that memory that he shared, you know, talking with his wife about that person who died into his taxi. You know, for me, they were all connected in a way. And Gi-Hun, for me, was connected to the grandpa, because that person who died into his taxi, it was someone that the grandpa knew. Gi-Hun, Sang-woo, because they know each other. Sang-woo, Sang-byuk, because of what I just said about the money and him putting a bet on futures. Sang-byuk with Deok-soo, because she stole money from him. You know, I made a connection between all of them, and for me, yes, maybe we can have the reveal about that. The fact that these two, they hate each other right now, and it's great in a way because it's gonna help them to find reasons to kill each other, because I really think that it's gonna be that. But it's really bad and heartbreaking when you think about the fact that they grew up together like they were almost brothers, and it's really sad. And I think that at some point they're gonna remember that, because right there the game made them forget it, the relationships, the links that they had before the games. So see, I think that we can have all of that, but at the same time, during the last episode it was only 30 minutes and we had a lot of things. Right now we have 1 hour, and I have the impression that it's too much for all of what I just said. So we'll see, maybe we're gonna have other reveals, other things happening that I didn't imagine. Okay, I'm gonna stop this intro right now and I'm gonna watch this episode 9. Like usually, you have my Patreon on which you can have the episodes earlier and with an extended or full action part. For the episode 6, I put the full action part. For the 2 last episodes, I don't know yet, but I think that I can put the full action part also. Check the schedule that I post each Monday on YouTube, Patreon and Twitter to know if I put the extended or the full action part. And for this final episode, I think that it's gonna be the full one, but again, check the description or the schedule to have the confirmation of it. If you can be interested to have that, all of my reactions to it. Let's go for this final episode. Am I ready for it? I have the impression that I'm ready for it, but that at the same time I'm gonna be disturbed and shocked, and you know that it's gonna punch me more than I thought. Because again, they surprised me by killing Sandberg during the last episode, so I have the impression that I can't cry for this last one. We'll see. Let's go for it! The beginning of episode 1. So it's gonna be really the final game?
세모입니다.
Okay,
공격과
choose.
수비 중 선택하세요.
I don't know the best strategy here.
공격. 456번 공격.
It says a lot. His evolution, his personal evolution. Before he would have chosen different.
오징어 게임입니다.
So I was right! Why did I change my mind?
Squid Game.
Did you keep the knives? If I remember right, the game at the beginning of episode 1, at some point you are fighting each other.
Back then, it was the most physical and violent. 우리 어릴 때 이거 많이 했지. 기억나?
You kept the knives.
만난지 쓸데없는 소리 하지 말고.
Why not? I'm like, it's not the...
어차피 죽을 애였어. 고통을 빨리 끝내준 것뿐이야.
Tell yourself that beautiful lie. She was a fucking survivor.
형이 그런 인간이라서 그를 살리겠다고 다 포기할 수 있는 인간이라서 게임을 그만둘까 봐. 그래.
You thought that they were gonna vote?
다 끝나니까 돈도 없이 그냥 여기서 나가야 되니까.
No.
그가 아니었으면 난 그때 이 칼에 죽었어. 그동
Sanu, I can't forget and forgive what you did to Ali, to Sandhya. I hear your reasons, but... It's brothers fighting each other in a way. It's... The game doesn't count right now, not really. They're just gonna kill each other. Come on, Gi-Hun. It's almost like in Hunger Games. Don't forget who you have to fight. No.
너무 멀리였어.
It's so savage. It's... Oh. They're fighting for their lives now. No! Gi-Hun! Think! No! You're losing! Ooh.
This game is over. Yeah, that wraps it up.
You think that he killed some... Oh, can they both survive? Not win, but survive? No, okay. What?
What is he doing? What is going on? 동의서 진 사람.
What?
우리 두 사람이 포기하면 여기서 끝날 거야.
Can you? Is it...
4, 5, 6.
Gonna accept?
어릴 때 형이랑 이러고 놀다 보면 꼭 엄마가 밥 먹으라고 불러도 이제는 아무도 안 부르네.
You're not gonna accept?
집에 가자.
Please.
미안해.
He's sorry for what he did. He would have done it no matter what. You did not have to ask. He knew that one of them had to win the big prize, the money to help. Ooh. The conclusion of that, you know, the lesson of that. That's what Juno asked you.
당신들은 말입니다. 경마장인 말.
Except that the horses are not dying at the end of their run.
그냥 꿈을 꿨다고 생각해. 당신한테 그렇게 나쁜 꿈도 아니었잖아. 누구야 너?
Wait, he's coming back? He's not gonna discover about the masked guys, about the fact that he's gonna have to come back? What was that? The credit card on which you have all of this money? It can be a golden one, for sure. Your number? Okay, you come back to life after that.
너 꼬리 왜 그래?
I'm so sad for all of their family. I'm sorry.
고등어야, 가서 엄마랑 같이 먹어. 니네 엄마 어디 아픈지 전화도 안 받고 엊그제부터 장사도 안 나왔어.
No, she didn't die.
돈 있으면 엄마 갖다 드려. 딴 데 쓰지 말고.
She's so nice. And generous and...
기훈아, 상우랑 연락한 적 없지?
No. Say no, please.
아니다. 들어가.
She can't be dead, your mom. I swear she can't. No. No.
엄마. 나왔어.
She's dead. I just want to reassure myself, but...
엄마. 엄마 자. 엄마 나왔어.
And I didn't know how you could make me cry during this final episode. Really? I'm stupid.
눈집도 가.
It hurts. Sorry.
엄마 나왔어.
Stop repeating it, please.
엄마 돈 나왔어.
The lesson of that is killing me, like she needed you before. The money doesn't change anything. 1 year later, when they're gonna call you back, tell me that your daughter and also Sanbyok's brother.
저희 은행에 돈을 예치하신 지 꽤 오래되셨는데 아직 아무런 말씀이 없으셔가지고요. 무슨 말을? 그 돈이 지금 일반 예금 계좌에 있는데
And
소개도 드리고 인사도 드릴 겸 바쁘실 텐데 이렇게 뵙자고 했어요.
keep your advices for yourself and let him deal with his money as he wants.
만 원만 빌려주시겠습니까?
What? You didn't use the money? You didn't keep your promise? Your daughter, she's fine with her mother and all, but you know she has someone to take care of her. But Sanbyok's brother, I'm gonna be mad. A golden one? From your gumbo. That's it. That's Grandpa. Why a golden one? You're not gonna be one of the masked guy. You're gonna... Oh, I don't know. And you didn't keep your promise.